Hi, I'm Tony Pellegrino. I'm with Gen Red Off-Road, and we're out here at the 2020 King of the Hammers race. Terremoto's holding up great. Everybody's working on their cars. We got the race course yesterday and went out and ran. So I ran the whole first loop and almost all of the second loop in the Terremoto, but really just verifying that it's all holding together well. When it comes to brakes, we're running the R1 Concept performance brakes. I'm running the 6-piston in the front and the 4 in the rear. There were several times yesterday where we were hauling like almost 100 miles an hour, came into a gnarly, something we did not want to hit, and I just locked it up. And keep in mind, these are full manual. I don't have any power assist or anything. To be able to lock up a sticky 42-inch tire under those kind of conditions, that just tells you the brakes are awesome.